how to convert recurring decimal into fraction. I give you two method. Method one is NCERT based method, which is long cut method. I will take that deliberately because once I take this long cut, then you will understand shortcut. Otherwise, you will keep me asking questions, sir 9 कहाँ से आया? I know वो question आने वाला है. If I skip the long cut, you will ask me. Some of you will ask, sir 9 कहाँ से आ रहा है? And still, I will explain again. 1 or 2 student will ask 9 कहाँ से आ रहा है? लेकिन अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, जब मैं बताता हूँ like 9 यहाँ से आ रहा है, like we are getting 9 from this, then I will ask someone like you got 9 आ यहाँ से रहा है, we are getting 9 from this. So here long cut for this, my question is 0.333333. So we have to convert this in fraction. We take it as x. So we have to find x is numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. This is equation number 1. Left hand side, right hand side. Actually, we have to convert 0.33333 into fraction. Left hand side, right hand side. Rule is any equation, both side you can multiply by same value, you can divide by same value. कर सकते हो. So we multiplied with 10, we multiplied with 10. So we get 10x here, here we get, when you multiply, हाँ जी, अब तो बता दूंगे. So what will happen here? 0.333 when we multiply with 10, it will become 3.3333. Your decimal will shift one place on the right side because we multiplied with 10. This is equation number 2. Now what we will do, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. From this equation we subtract this. Equation number 1 I write here, x is equal to 0.33333. This is equation number 1. Minus, we subtract. On the left hand side we get 10x minus x, 9x. हाँ जी, right side what we will get? 3.333 minus 0.333. This is same, so it will cancel 3 minus 0, 3, because the part after decimal is same. 333, ये भी 33. So 9x is equal to 3. Value of x is coming 3 by 9. 3 by 9. This method is good to understand, but it is time consuming. It is very simple question. For this simple question, it takes 40 to 50 seconds. Believe me, this type of question we can handle in 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, not more than 3 seconds. Even the miscellaneous question also we can handle within 10 seconds, whereas this method for miscellaneous question will take 3 to 4 minutes. So we have to save our time. Now here, we are getting 9x, y, 10x minus x. So we are getting 9 here, y, 10x minus x. In some question, it can be 100x minus x. So we will get 99x. In some question, it can be 1000x minus x. So it will be 999x. So depend on the questions. So here 9 we are getting because of this type of calculation. And in our shortcut, directly I will write 9. Shortcuts are like, depend on the drive from the long cut, but where we skip the steps. Here we have 5-6 steps. Whereas in shortcut, in single step, we get the answer. But is this clear? 9 आ कहां से रहा है? ठीक है, कोई पूछेगा तो नहीं. And sometimes we have to do 100x minus, like here 10x. So we will get 90x. We will get 0 also, but वो बाद में बताऊंगा. But mainly 9 first you focus. I give you shortcut for this type of question. I categorize question in 3 type: type 1, type 2, type 3. And I follow a rule of 3. I take 3 example. Okay, whatever I want to teach, I take 3 example because my experience with one example, 60-70% student they understand. The moment I take second example, around 90 to 95% student they understand. With third example, almost 100% or sometimes 99.99% student they understand with third example. ठीक है, तो let me take three example. So now here I categorize this question in three type. Type 1 question. Type 1 questions are very simple. We have repetition like after decimal, immediately after decimal, or like my first question 0.33333. There is a repetition of 3. And it is not necessary there is a repetition of 1 digit, can be repetition of 2 digit, can be repetition of 3 digit. Second one is 0.13131313. So there is a repetition of 131313. Now the third example 0.123 123 123. So this is repetition of 123 123 123. I don't know how many of you have remember or like you remember the concept covered during school days. If you have attended that class, school days, teacher expressed this 0.33 as 0.13. Okay, this is 0.13. This is 0.123. We have two different bar. One is vinculum, that is called bar bracket, vinculum bracket, and this bar is for repetition. Purpose of both are different. Vinculum bracket purpose is for calculation, where we have 2 plus 3 minus 6. So we have to remove this bracket and we have to solve this first. That is called bar bracket. And when there is a bar on number digit, on 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, it means there is a repetition of 3, there is a repetition of 1 3, there is a repetition of 1 2 3. So both are bar but purpose is different. उसको कहते हैं bar bracket and this is for recurring decimal. Numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator. Now the first question here, this is 0.13. First we will handle denominator, and the rule for denominator here is, in our denominator we have as many 9 as many digit under the bar. There is 1 digit under the bar, so 1 9. In second question there are 2 digit under the bar, we have double 9. In third question there are 3 digit under the bar, we have triple 9. In our denominator we have as many 9 as many digit under the bar. If there is 1 digit under the bar, 1 9, 2 digit 2 9, 3 digit 3 9, if it is 4 digit 4 9. Since these are very easy question, numerator number as it is. So what is number 3? 3 by 9. This is 13, so it is 13 by 99. This is 1 2 3, so this is 1 2 3 upon 999. But don't forget to simplify, because examiner will give you simplified fractions value. So here this is 1 by 3. This is okay. Here if we simplify this, this is 41 upon 330. Is this okay? I ask you 3 questions on type 1. My first question is 0.44444, 0.25252525, 0.213213. Online student can reply. All of you done? Any one of you? So first question, this is one digit on the bar, 19. So this is 4 by 9. Second question, there are two digits, so double 9. So this is 25 upon 99. Third question, there are three digits, so 999, 213, but we have to simplify. This is 71 upon 333. So this is type 1, very simple, kuch nahi hai. Next is type 2 and type 3. Main is type 2. And if you can understand type 2, type 3 is easier than type 2. The main hai, that is type 2 actually. That's why I will take 4 5 example so that all of you can understand type 2, because I know if you can understand type 2, there is a doubt why do we put 9 every time. Because in this case, if you ask me long cut, this is 10x minus x. Here this will be 100x minus x. This will be 1000x minus x. तो वो 9 आएगा लॉन्ग कट से. चलो बता देता हूं, नहीं तो तसल्ली नहीं होगी. When I have taken Sakshi, when I have taken long cut 10x, this is x. So I told you 10x minus x, 9x. This 9 will go other side. So that's why it is coming 9. When if it is 100x minus x, 99. So double 9 आएगा, triple 9 आएगा. If you want me to take long cut, I don't have extra time. ठीक है. Next is type 2. See, point is क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करना है, अगर सीधा आंसर आ रहा है काम खत्म. टाइप 2 वी अंडरस्टैंड, जितना टाइम उसको 9 में समझने में लगाएंगे, वी अंडरस्टैंड टाइप 2. Type 2 is after decimal there will be digit, then there is a repetition. Example like 0.1333333. Second example 0.4565656. Third example 0.12343434. So now here first we express this as 0.1 bar on 3. This is 0.4 bar on 56. This is 0.12 bar on 34. We have two things, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. First I tell you denominator. So this is 0.133333. Rule number 1 is same. Actually we have two rule for denominator and two thing for numerator. पहले वाले में सिर्फ 1 ही था, इसलिए easier है. Now here 2 for denominator, 2 for numerator. But we handle one by one. Denominator rule number 1 is same. As many 9, as many digit under the bar. So there is one digit, 1 9. Here we have two digit, double 9. Here we have two digit, double 9. I write here denominator 9. Same rule. As many digit under the bar, we have as many 9. Denominator we have two things, 9 and one is 0. But I tell you what is the rule for 0. 9 rule is clear, I think, to all of you. As many 9, as many digit on the bar. Rule for this 0 is after this 9, not before. उसके बाद ला, उससे पहले लगाओ कोई फायदा नहीं. 9 लिखो, 0 9 लिखो. After this 9, we will have as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. डेसिमल के बाद तो है बट रिपीट नहीं हो रही. बिटवीन डेसिमल एंड रिकरिंग पार्ट, उनका भी तो इंपॉर्टेंस है. दिस वन इज हैविंग इंपॉर्टेंस. It is after decimal, but it is not repeating. For that, we have to put 0 here. I repeat, after this 9, we will put as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. So there is one digit, so we put 1 0. In this case, there are two digit, 1 and 2. So I have to put 2 0. Rule number 1, 9. As many 9, as many digit on the bar, followed by as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. I will take 2 more questions. I will solve. Then I ask you 3 questions step by step. Numerator. Numerator is total number minus non-repeating part, or you can say non-recurring part. You can write numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. Total is 13 and what is not repeating? 1. So minus 1. Your answer is 12 by 90. Simplify. वो आपका काम है. Second question. Total number is 456. What is non-repeating, non-recurring? 4. So minus 4. So here it will come 452 upon 990. Third question, what is the total number? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is non-recurring? 1, 2. So this is 1222 upon 9900. I take 2 more questions, then I ask. ठीक है. 0.3575757 0.21424242. I write it as 0.3 bar on 57. This is 0.21 bar on 42. Denominator, as many 9, as many digits are double 9. Followed by as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. So there is one digit between decimal and recurring part. So we have to put 1 0. Here, there are 2 digit under the bar, double 9. There are 2 digit between decimal and recurring part. So double 0. 9 0. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part, 3 here. This is 2142 minus 21. So it is 2121 upon 9900 and this is 354 upon 990. Simplify. Now I ask you 3 questions. Anji. Anyone having doubt? हाँ जी बताओ.
Calculated as 2 digits. How you are taking in between decimal?
0.45555. देखो ये क्या हो गया? 0.4 बार ऑन 5 बिटवीन डेसिमल एंड रिकरिंग पार्ट. रिकरिंग पार्ट यहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, डेसिमल ये है. तो डेसिमल और बीच के बीच, इसके बीच में सैंडविच क्या बन रहा है? बस आ गया समझ. 0.11232323 0.2575757. Take your time. as many 9 as many digit in the bar, 1 9 followed by 1 0. This is double 9 double 0. This is double 9 1 0. Now the numerator here is first question total number 45 minus 4. So it is 41 by 90. Second question is 1123 minus 11. So this is 1112 divided by 9900. This is 257 minus 2. So this is 255 upon 990. If type 2 is clear to you, type 3 is easier. Type 3 is before decimal also we have some digit. अब तक जो question था before decimal we have 0 point something, 0 point something, 0 point something, 0 point something. Now before decimal also we will have some digit. I take 3 question here. 1.333333. 2.57777777. 11.2343434. 1 point bar on 3. This is 2.5 bar on 7. This is 11.2 bar on 3 4. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. First we start with denominator. Denominator we have only two rules, 9 and 0. As many 9, as many digit under the bar, followed by as many 0, as many digit between decimal and reckoning part. So here there is one digit under the bar, so we will put 1 9. Tell me after this 9 how many 0? Because there is no digit between decimal and reckoning part. Since there is no digit between decimal and reckoning part, we will not put 0 here. Second question, there is one digit on the bar, 1 9. Since there is one digit between decimal and reckoning part, there is a 5 between decimal and reckoning part. So for this 5, we have to put 1 0. Third question, there are two digits under the bar, so we have to put 999. And there is one digit between decimal and reckoning part, so we have to put 1 0. Same, कोई difference नहीं है, same. As many 9. I will give you language also after these questions for this topic. करना क्या? Numerator is also same. Total number minus non-recurring part. I suggest you one thing for numerator, ignore decimal. Because this 1 is also non-recurring. Non-recurring can be before decimal or can be after decimal. 1 repeat होगा. So what is numerator? Total number 13 minus 1. So this is 12 by 9. This is 4 by 3. You can check with your calculator. We know 4 by 3 is 1.3333. Second question, I have seen student what they do, total number is 257. After 1 or 2 months, they do 257 minus 2, sometime minus 7 or minus 57. See here, ignore decimal. This is 2.5777. Now you tell me total number is 257. What is non-recurring here? 25. ना तो 2 repeat हो रहा ना 5 repeat हो रहा, so 25 is non-recurring. So minus 25, so we get 232 upon 90. Now just help me out. Third question, what is the total number? 11,234 minus 112, because this is 112 is non-recurring here. 112 total, 112 also, so 112 non-recurring part. I give you language, then I ask you 2-3 question. Okay, language here is numerator by denominator. Either it is type 1, type 2, type 3. This language is applicable for each and every question on this topic. What is our numerator? Total number minus non-recurring part. Total number minus non-recurring part. Denominator, as many 9 as many digit under bar. As many 9 as many digit under bar, followed by as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring part. Let me take one more question, then I ask you 2 examples. ठीक है जी, like 4.5666666. I write it as 4.5 bar on 6. There is one digit under the bar, so 19. There is one digit between decimal and recurring part, so 10. Numerator here is 456 minus 45. 45. So it is 411 upon 90. You can simplify. I ask you 2 questions. Go slow, step by step. 2.3 4.5 6.7. If you are able to simplify, okay. Otherwise, just find what is numerator and what is denominator. That is my main concern for first class. Now here, so first question, it is 2.344444. So there is one digit on the bar, 19. There is one digit between decimal and recurring part, 10. Numerator is 234 minus 23. I think all of you solve this. If you want to simplify, okay, but otherwise it is okay. Second question, there is 2 digit on the bar, so 99. There is one digit between decimal part, 10. Numerator is 4567 minus 45. Be careful. I take one more question. If you can handle this question, it means you become master on this topic. Madam as well. Why to be gender bias? 4.05555555. This is 4.0 bar on 5. There is one digit on the bar, 19. How many 0 I have to put? 0 is also digit. Some student they ignore this part. 0 is also digit, so we have to put 10 and the numerator is, some student by mistake they take 405 minus 4. It will be 405 minus 40. So it is 365 upon 90. Then you can simplify this.